Feel it now?
Yes.
How long have you had it for?
The pain in my tooth for a wee while now, pretty intense, but I also have nerve pain right through my mouth.
It's caused from what? The teeth or the gums?
Teeth grinding.
Teeth grinding. She's going to pray for her. Yeah. Come on, she's a great dentist.
Yes.
You're going to pray. Just relax. When I pray for you, don't think about dentists. You'll get stressed out. Just relax. Jesus, can we pray for this? Reach out. Just relax. Relax. Let's reach out, church. Don't pray. Lord, right now, all the nerve pain to go, a miracle right now, all the enamel right now, and touch any person in this meeting bleeding for their teeth. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
A miracle. Jesus, man, the morning here.
Thank you, Jesus.
How's it feeling?
Really, really good. Yeah, quite a dose of the Holy Spirit as well.
Has the pain gone?
Yes, it has, but it was like I could feel almost like little bits of bone. It's like they were moving or they were like resetting. Yeah.
So amazing. Now, with the grinding, was there also a jaw problem at all?
Yes.
How's your jaw feeling?
It's good.
Oh, a hand, everyone. Now, when I was praying, what did you feel go through?
Like my gummies.
I just wanted to laugh. Like, yeah.
How does that feel?
Amazing.
Now, was it painful to eat anything?
Some foods it was.
What?
Like,
TV and rusks?
meat, like, you know, that kind of stuff, yeah.
Wow. Apples with apple making?
Yeah.
There's a
What's
lady.
another apple you can
John,
mate?
there's a lady over there.
He
Has
finished it! No,
There's a lady.
another apple.
Yes.
The drums are rolling in it. The drums are rolling. So normally to chew an apple, how would it feel?
Really sore around my ears and jaw.
Wow.
Have a chew, ma'am. Now you can hold it. Now this one, no child. This has been washed. This is health and safety regulation 249 in New Zealand. Okay, health regulations. Have a... You know, we can enjoy the presence of God, can't we, church? You know, right now, God's actually healing others right now. Even now, as I'm sharing there's a powerful anointing here. If you recognize it right now, God's going to touch you. And just have a bit of a chew now. The sound effects. Chew away. How's that going?
No pain.
And so, normally to chew an apple, how would it feel?
Really sore.
Have a big, have it.
There's nothing.
God bless you. That lady need to get your apple back. She doesn't want it. Give her a hand. You're a good.
And he heals the lame.